I am CQB Russian, and I'm doing a review of the PTS Mega Arms MKM AR15. I have this gun already for a few weeks. When I first got the gun, I chrono it, PTS Mega Arms MKM4 to see when they shoot out of the box. So right now we're using the green gas. So we're gonna test it with the chrono out of the box. .447, .468, the first one. .435.
What weight gram BBs are you using?
It's 2.0, so it's kind of high for CQB. I had to change the rocket valve to lower it for CQB.
349, 340, 348, 338, 329.
So the first time that I saw this gun, the thing that I like the most is the way the body looks. It looks real strong, like you can drop it and you won't have to worry about it of a breakneck. This gun comes with a lower and upper metal. It comes already with a rail. Another thing that I like is it has a removable sights that you can take off. It has a one-piece upper rail system for your optics. Trigger. I like the way the trigger looks, the trigger guard. Trigger response is real good. I was impressed with that. The way it kicks hard. It comes with a 370 millimeter barrel, so it's already pretty long. The gun looks long, but it's not as long as it looks. I play CQB with it, and I don't have no problems with it. You can go back and forth, it's stacked. This is the only thing I would change in the gun. I like everything else. The feel of the real AR, the way it feels, the way it works. And I like the ball that moves up and down all the way. I already play with it, and I don't have any problems whatsoever. Like some of the other gas blowbacks that I had before, they were double fit. The mag was still on and leak all the air. BBs will go up. It is real accurate out of the box. You don't need to do anything out of the box. It's real accurate. Accuracy test. Marks, I don't have any problem with them. They're not loose, they're real tight. Releases. Mag, the bolt stays open when the mag is empty. I really recommend this gun. If you like how real they are and how real they work compared with the real steel, you won't be disappointed by buying this gun.